every night, every day up. Every day patches the night up. Oh God, you should match it, it's that KO. No white lighters till I 28th up. 1998, my family had the Acura. Oh, the legend kept at least 6 days.
Welcome to Urban Coffee.
I'm gonna have to record down here so they don't say don't film. So anyways, bro, she's about to find her graduation outfit here. If anything, I'm gonna cop some jean jackets. Look, this is Levi and it's 25 bucks. That's such a steal. Gap, 25 bucks. Wrangler, 25 bucks. Express jeans. Planet Hollywood. I know you don't like this one.
No.
But I really want it. It's cute though, it's Express.
I don't like that.
Someone will like it. It's 18 bucks. It's cheap.
That's cute. I think that was I don't like the wash. The wash.
The wash?
Yeah. No, it's not. That one's darker. They look the same.
They look the same?
Yeah.
Well, Levi's like more.
Oh, that one's more bigger.
More bigger?
I mean, that's bigger.
It's extra large.
That one you could leave by itself, and then that one you could distress it.
I used to want a pair of these. That's one ugly.
What do I do?
That's a prom dress right there.
You should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? You should've called me. You should've called me. You should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me?
Getting ready to grub.
Forever 21 is that way though. Forever 21 is that way though. Who wants to go there? We do.
Move your dome piece. I like how this looks. It's starting to dry. Don't tell me you're sorry, cause you're not. Don't tell me you're sorry. Almost tripped, almost tripped. Y'all, I just pulled out 2 of my lashes right here. And my real lashes came out along with it. Oh, where are we going? Where are we going?
It's just thick or whatever.
You're dumb. Dang, that's not wide. We're over here struggling to find a dress, so we're going to like every store.
I'm already taking pictures of whatever.
Polaroids. Oh, my hair dried by the way.
Wow, look at this dress, Kimberly.
That dress is like what? All I want is like a simple jumpsuit. What more is there to ask for?
Sharp.
Or like a 2-piece outfit or something. Right now, we are currently in 5th Avenue, on 5th Avenue, walking, trying to look for a store. What do you mean this is 5th Avenue? They must have some stores here, maybe. And I'm trying to just look for a random, like a plain jumpsuit, but I can't even find anything. So that's making me mad. Welcome to Build a Thought Workshop. What is that right there? Be quiet.
Change into makeup for the train Madison, nothing in Hollis, Queens Village, Belrose, Floral Park to a match. Change as you make up to the train.
We out here waiting for the train.
What the?
It looks crazy because she needs to straighten it.
Well, I didn't put any product in it, so oh well. It's hot.
Today's our last day, and we're going to
In the
Florida
city.
tomorrow. So,
Yeah, we're trying to get some city shots today, so y'all can see what goes on in the city. Because I'm not looking at it, I'm looking at trying to look at the lens.
I mean,
And sorry for the chewing gum. And you almost look like.
and sorry if you can't hear us, we're mad loud over this
Yeller nails, yeller orange, fire. Yellow plus orange
I
equals
cannot
fire.
wait to get these joints up.
I should have got acrylics. See how it feels. So I'll be like. She stay getting stuck. And I got stuck too. And I'm stuck. Okay, I'm about to use. It's not working. I need more money. This would happen to me. I gotta put more money now. So annoying. Ah. So everybody, this is her new hair. Show it.
Oh, they gonna think I look like Lord Farquaad.
So explain what you got.
So what I got is a bob, a textured bob. That's my cut, right? Yeah. And then for my hair, I got a slight balayage. You know, natural or whatever. Thanks.
And now she's straightening my puffy hair. Whoa,
This
it looks
joint
golden. It looks like hay, and it feels like hay too.
Black up. Oh. Wow.
You went close to my scalp.
Yeah, shout out to my town, that Chinese tribal guy, Joe SH got you turned up, Roots Kids in Trap boy, Let's 冲进城市玻璃幕，解放被吹掉的市中心，从小走到大的路，全部是怪胎跟带来的。我的脑壳有点木，不晓得眼睛放哪里，彰显了彩霞的天膀。
So at this thrift store, I found so much denim, so many pairs of Levi's. So let me show y'all. So this is the first pair. It comes in this like really white light wash. These are 550s. I'm not sure if I found these in the men's section. I probably did.
The snake.
Be quiet. But yeah, I feel like I found these in the men's section. These are 550s. Let me zoom into them. Stop! Don't say that zooming. And I believe these are high-waisted, but they're way too big on me, so I ain't gonna be trying them on anytime soon. This is yellow stain. I'm not gonna even show it.
I told you.
What do you mean you told me?
I told you when you had it.
Well, I didn't see it there because of the lighting, but this lighting you see it.
We could have had the present.
So the next pair of jeans I found are Levi 512s, and these are so like rare to find, hard to find at thrift stores. So when I found these, I was like, I just hit the jackpot. Excuse you. These are slim fit, straight leg, slim thick. It makes you look slim thick or whatever. These come in like a little medium wash. They're tapered. They're everything that you need in a jean, in a pair of jeans. So make sure you head on over to my shop to cop these because they don't fit me and I need these gone. Ooh, I love these jeans. These ones fit me like really nice. These are the only pair that actually fit me somewhat. I'm gonna hold on to these bad boys. These are the Levi 501s. It's kind of faded, but it adds to the look. Faded. Oh, and it comes with a button fly right here. So it has like like, you know, 6 buttons or whatever going down. And it's like the fit is kind of high-waisted, but yeah, overall this gives you a nice shape. So these were 13 bucks, which is quite the steal if you ask me. It doesn't say what size it is on the inside, but like, of course I use my little elbow to fist trick, and then I figured it would fit me, and it did. So I found yet another pair of Levi jeans, but these come in an olive green color. And what pair are they? They're 550s. 550s, and they are like relaxed fit tapered leg. Unfortunately, these did not fit me. They're way too small, so I won't be trying these on either. How many pairs was that? Like 3, 4 pairs of Levi's. Levi Game Strong. So this is another Levi denim item, but it's not jeans. Instead, it is a denim jacket. So this is, it comes in an extra large. I think I found this in the men's section too. Zoom into the tag. But yeah, this would be really cool to like, I don't know, decorate it on the back or like distress it. I don't know, do like a whole painting on the back. I kind of want to do a video like that. But
let me know in the comments.
Yeah, let me know if you want to see that, you know, like whole painting on the back of a denim jacket. That'd be cool. You could also distress this. I think it would look nice. But yeah, this is that. So I got these shorts. I still haven't tried them on, or maybe I did at the store, but they kind of look like Boy Scout shorts. I don't know, but I thought they would be cute because they're high-waisted. So yeah, they kind of look like cargo pants. They got pockets here and there and on the back, and they were only like 6 bucks. I think it would look nice with like a white blouse. Oh my god, my neck just twitched. I said, yeah, I think these would look nice with a white blouse or any type of like crop top. I got one other pair of shorts. Where did I put those shorts? Those black shorts that I got. Let me see if I can find those shorts, and if I can't, then we're gonna end the haul here. So the last and final item that I copped are these black shorts. They're high-waisted. They're by the brand Wrangler for women. And they come in this like charcoal black wash, which I like. But yeah, these are like great for the summertime. And usually when I go to the thrift store, like I like find regular jeans and then crop them. But these I actually found like this, like as actual shorts on their own, if that makes sense. So yeah, those were all the items that I found at I always forget the name, Urban Jungle, or also known as L Train Vintage. So, you know, if you're ever in Brooklyn and you want to thrift, then maybe you want to check those stores out. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below saying what else you'd like to see other than thrifting. If that's all you want to see, then, you know, just comment that down below. I'll probably continue. Don't forget to check out my Depop shop. The link will be in the description down below, so you can check out many of these items, and many of them will be listed up for sale. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.